Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. Today we're embarking on the exciting journey of affiliate marketing, and the first stop on this route is choosing the right product to promote. Now you might ask, why does the product matter so much? Well, my friends, the product you choose is the foundation of your affiliate marketing strategy. It's like picking a destination before you start a journey. You need to know where you're going to make sure you're on the right path. So what's the secret sauce in picking the right product? First, consider market demand. The product you choose should be something people want or need. It's simple. The more people want it or need it, the more chances you have to make a sale. Secondly, take a look at the competition. If the market is saturated with affiliates promoting the same product, it might be harder to get your voice heard. But don't be discouraged. A little competition never hurt anybody. You just need to be strategic about it. Thirdly, pay attention to commission rates. You're in this to make money, right? So pick a product that offers a good commission rate. But remember, a high commission rate doesn't always mean more money. It's the balance between the demand and the commission rate that brings in the dough. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, pick a product that aligns with your interests and expertise. If you're passionate about what you're promoting, it shines through and makes your marketing efforts more authentic and effective. In essence, the art of choosing the right product for affiliate marketing is a blend of market research, strategic thinking, and a dash of passion. It's not just about picking a product and hoping for the best. It's about finding a product that fits with your market, your strategy, and you. Remember, the right product could make or break your affiliate marketing journey. So choose wisely and happy promoting. Now that you've chosen your product, it's time to get the word out there. And no platform does it better than YouTube. YouTube is a powerhouse. It's not just for cat videos and music. It's one of the most potent tools for affiliate marketing. The secret? Engaging content. You want to create videos that grab attention and hold it? That's how you get views, and views translate into clicks on your affiliate links. But don't forget about SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so use it to your advantage. Craft your video titles and descriptions with keywords that your audience is searching for. And let's not overlook the power of engagement. Respond to comments. Interact with your viewers. It creates a sense of community, and people are more likely to buy from someone they trust and feel connected to. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers when used correctly. If you're more of a visual person, Instagram might be your platform of choice. Now let's delve into how you can use Instagram to promote affiliate products effectively. Firstly, your Instagram feed should be a visual feast, a gallery that showcases your product in the most appealing light. Remember, your images are not just photos, they're your sales pitches. Next, let's talk about hashtags. They're not just trendy, they're functional. They help categorize your posts and make them discoverable to those who aren't your followers yet. So, ensure to use relevant and popular hashtags, but don't overdo it. A handful of well-chosen ones can do wonders. Engagement is the lifeblood of Instagram. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and keep the conversation going. It helps to build a community around your brand, a community that trusts and supports you. Instagram is a powerful tool that can bring your affiliate marketing game to a whole new level. For those who have a way with words, blogging is your best bet. You see, blogging is not just about sharing your thoughts or experiences, it's also a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. So, how can you use a blog to your advantage? First, create valuable content. Write in-depth articles about the product you're promoting. Share your personal experiences, or even provide tips and tricks. This not only attracts readers, but also keeps them coming back for more. Next, use search engine optimization strategies. By incorporating relevant keywords into your content, you can increase your blog's visibility on search engines, leading more potential customers to your site. Lastly, engage with your readers. Respond to their comments, answer their questions, and build a community around your blog. This creates a sense of trust, making readers more likely to purchase the product you're promoting. With blogging, you can provide value while promoting your chosen product. Now, if you want to level up your affiliate marketing game, email marketing is the way to go. It's like the secret sauce that can take your affiliate marketing strategies from good to great. So, let's talk about how to collect emails and use them for affiliate marketing. First off, one of the most effective ways to collect emails is through your website or blog. You can set up an email sign-up form on your site, offering visitors something valuable in return for their email address. This could be anything from a free ebook to exclusive content or access to a members-only section of your website. The key here is to offer value, something that entices your visitors to willingly provide their email addresses. Once you've collected a good number of emails, it's time to put them to work. Now, we're not talking about spamming your email list with endless promotional messages. That's a surefire way to lose subscribers. Instead, focus on creating engaging newsletters that provide value to your subscribers. This could be in the form of informative articles, helpful tips, or exclusive deals. Remember, the goal is to build a relationship with your subscribers, not just sell to them. In fact, building trust with your email list is crucial. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust and have a relationship with. So don't be afraid to show a bit of your personality in your emails. Be authentic, be real, and most importantly, be helpful. Over time, this will help you build a loyal following of subscribers who not only trust you but are also more likely to buy the products you recommend. Moreover, consider segmenting your email list based on your subscribers' interests. This allows you to send targeted emails that are more likely to resonate with your subscribers, leading to higher open rates and ultimately more conversions. Email marketing might seem old school, but it's a powerful tool that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing success. It's all about offering value, building trust, and creating a loyal following. And once you've got that, the sky's the limit. And there you have it, guys. We've explored the art of selecting the right product and harnessing free traffic options like YouTube, Instagram, and blogging. We've also touched on leveling up with email marketing. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your newsfeed. Stay safe out there, guys.